This video will show you how to make money promoting Amazon bounties like Amazon Prime and Audible. Here are all of my commissions from the last year in 2022. You can see I earned $1,446 doing this exact method. And I'm going to show you in this video the exact method and traffic source that I used to get those earnings, and I'm going to run you through everything step by step. So make sure you do stick around for the end of the video and take action on this method. So here I am on the Amazon Bounties page, and here you can see the Amazon Bounty program offers fixed commissions when visitors try or sign up for valuable services and programs. The bounty is triggered when your visitor completes an action that is part of the program. For example, if you direct your user to Amazon Prime Video and they sign up for a free trial, you will receive the bounty. Now, Amazon have a wide variety of bounties, including Amazon Fresh. You've got Audible free trials, you've got business accounts, Amazon Wedding Registry, a lot of Amazon products you probably didn't already know existed. You've got Audible gift memberships. They have a lot of different free trials that you can promote, and I'm going to show you how you can promote all of these if you want to. Send targeted free traffic to these free trials so you can start earning money. So for you to start promoting these Amazon bounties, you're going to need an account on the Amazon Associates program. So if you go ahead and go over to the Amazon Associates website, which is affiliate-program.amazon.com, you can recommend products and their bounties and earn commissions. So if you go ahead and sign up here, you can then go through the sign up process to create your account on Amazon Associates. Now, I'm not going to cover that in this video because you've probably already got an Amazon Associates account if you're watching this video, or you can just go ahead and fill it out and you'll be accepted pretty much straight away. So here we are on my Amazon Associates account. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see my earnings for the last 30 days and also for the last month here. I've earned $61 in the last month, and you can see this blue graph here is all commissions for bounties. So you can see on December the 28th, I earned $18 in bounties, and this is all for Amazon Prime trials. So I recommend Amazon Prime. People go ahead and take the trial, and I earn $3 every time someone does that. So the commissions are pretty decent. They come in quite randomly, and I'm going to show you how you can get commissions like this in this video. Now, I'm not going to waste your time here and drag this video on. I'm going to give you the traffic source, but when I give you this traffic source and explain the method, I want you to know that this is an active method which I'm doing to make money online, which I'm sharing everything with you guys. Like, this is still making me money. If we look at this screenshot, this still makes me money. $125 in bounties in the last 30 days, and I'm giving it to you guys for free in a free YouTube video. So if you do appreciate it, please do leave a like and make sure you comment and subscribe to the channel. So what I did to promote these Amazon Prime trials is I got the link from the back end of the Amazon Associates program, and then I created a very simple screencast recording video showing people how they can get a free Amazon Prime trial. Now, I have a video here on my channel which is called How to Get an Amazon Prime Free Trial and Cancel Without Getting Charged. This video has 40,000 views, and in this video, I show people essentially how they can get their Amazon Prime free trial without getting charged. And all it is me explaining and showing on camera or on a screencast how to get a free trial from Amazon Prime. Now, in the description of this video, I say get a free 30-day trial to Amazon Prime, and what I do is I link my affiliate link here. This affiliate link will then go to one of these Amazon Prime bounties, which you can find in Promotions, Amazon Bounty Program. And when people then sign up for the trial, you're going to then start to earn commissions like these. And they come in randomly, right? I'll show you the analytics of my video in a second, but they're pretty decent commissions just for one YouTube video. Now, I'm going to share with you my YouTube analytics and show you kind of like how often it gets views, where the views come from. And I'm also going to show you how you can create a good YouTube thumbnail, create a good YouTube title, and get your tutorial video that you record on top of the search results so it gets views every day. So people essentially sign up for a free trial and you get paid. So here are the analytics for that video. This video is how to get an Amazon Prime trial for free and cancel without getting charged. It's this video here that we just opened up. Now, I created this video because people are searching for this search term, how to get Amazon Prime trial. And if you go to YouTube and I just go to the search bar and I just search for how to get Amazon Prime, you can see you've got for free without credit card, for free with a student ID, and all of these other reasons here, how to get Amazon Prime on mobile. There are loads of different search terms people are making. So I made a video here, how to get Amazon Prime for free. And my video happened to rank in the top 2 because it's a tutorial which essentially shows people how to get an Amazon Prime trial for free. And there's no BS, it's straight to the point. And I tell people if they want to get a free Amazon trial, the link will be in the description. Now this niche and this method is actually very undersaturated because if you take a look at the video that's ranking number 1, trick to get unlimited Prime gaming rewards for free. It's not even the search term. So my video here is the only video in the top 3 or in the top 2 which have this exact search term in the title. So this is very unsaturated and you can make a video with these tips that I'm about to share with you and get it ranked above mine if you just go ahead and try a little bit harder and make a more up-to-date video. Like my video is 3 years old and it is still getting traffic. Here's the kind of traffic it's getting. It's got 40k views over those 3 years and it's only $148 in YouTube ads. But if we go to lifetime here, you can see, you can't really see the graph because this day here is kind of like put everything out of proportion. But I'll go to the last 90 days and you can see it continuously gets like 50 to 60 views a day. And some of those people sign up for free trials. So here's how you can make your videos, and these videos only have to be simple screencast videos. So here's what you need to do. You need to go to a website called obsproject.com. Now on OBS Project, what you can do is you can download a program called OBS Studio. You can download it for Windows, Mac and Linux for free, and it's free and open source, and it allows you to record your computer screen. It's actually what I'm recording with right now, so I'll just open it up. You can see, I can't show you how to record because I'm currently recording with it, but I will click start recording here. Then you can see this mic input. I've attached my microphone so I can speak through my microphone and basically tell people what they need to do. So people can see my screen, they can hear my voice, and that's all you need to do is to just show people and talk to people and explain how they can get an Amazon Prime free trial. And that isn't the only video you can make. You can make this one here, try Amazon Prime Fresh for free, try Audible for free. And if we just go to YouTube and you type in how to get a free Audible trial, people have probably made this video already. So you can see Audible free trial, 13,000 views. So this is a great video to make. You've probably got how to listen to audiobooks for free. And this is also a great video that you can make because if you rank this video and send people to your free trial, you're going to be sending loads of traffic, like 336,000 views. So a video isn't going to rank without a good thumbnail and a good title and a good video. You need a good video as well. And by a good video, I mean you need a step-by-step tutorial video that doesn't waste anyone's time. But creating a good thumbnail can be done on canva.com. So here I am on Canva. So that's canva.com. You can go here and you can then search for YouTube thumbnail. So go YouTube thumbnails and it's going to bring up a load of different templates that you can use, which are all YouTube thumbnails. So you can see YouTube thumbnail templates. So here you've got thumbnail templates here. Now what you can do is you can just choose one of these. Now I'll choose one. Let's choose this one. So we're going to keep this guy because you need, like, people in the thumbnail really attract eyes, but I'm just going to make him bigger for the thumbnail. And you can customize everything on this page. I'm going to delete this light bulb because we don't need it. And I'm going to change this to free Prime. And then I'm going to highlight this and center it and also make it bigger. What I'm also going to do is delete this button and make this so it's centered. And then I'm going to go into elements. I'm going to get a box. And I'm going to just drag this over the text and I'm going to right click, send it to the back and then change it to black. So there you go. Now you've got free Prime trial. Now we've got a very simple thumbnail with the Amazon Prime colors actually, because it's orange like Amazon Prime, that we can go ahead and export and use as our image. So if we go to share in the top right hand corner, you can then go to download and you can download as a PNG. So click on download. Then it should download this thumbnail, which you can use for your video. So here is your YouTube thumbnail. And when you're creating thumbnails, make sure that it's clear what the actual video is. This video here that's ranking for the Audible keyword, this is a really good thumbnail because he's pointing to books. He's got listen for free. It's very clear what this video is about because of the title and the YouTube thumbnail. So with a good video, a good title and a good thumbnail, you can upload these to YouTube and rank your YouTube video on YouTube search. And it's going to get consistent views every single day, just like my videos here. And some of these views are going to convert into Amazon Prime free trial leads, and you're going to start earning money. So you can see it's been pretty consistent throughout the months, with a high in October of $234. I hope that video was helpful. If it was, please do leave a like and make sure you subscribe for more Make Money Online videos.